The MindEar app is a great place to start your journey to finding tinnitus relief. The MindEar app offers a variety of features to help you manage your tinnitus. Sounds. Sounds are a great way to help distract you from focusing on your tinnitus. The MindEar app offers a variety of different soundscapes for you to choose from. Explore the Soundscape catalog and find the sound that works best for you. The MindEar app also offers a library of self-care materials. In this library, you'll find podcasts, guided relaxation exercises, and breathing techniques. These self-care materials can help you manage your tinnitus over time. If you're someone who needs further consultation or simply want to talk with one of our live tinnitus coaches, you can even book an appointment directly from the MindEar app. These are just some of the great features the MindEar app has to offer. Download the app today and find tinnitus relief with MindEar.